If your car didn't come with a hardtop and you're looking to buy a used one, see if you can get the installation kit along with it. The nice thing is these parts are still available from Porsche to order. You will need the spin lock inserts shown in the upper left. The 2 shoulder bolts, you'll need a pair of them. They fit into the slits in the chassis, pointed to by the green arrow. There is usually a plastic cap covering this area. Before you buy them, remove the cap on your car and see if the inserts are already installed. If not, then simply slide the insert into each side and tighten down the pinch clamp on the shoulder bolt, orange arrow. Once you place the hardtop on the car, you can plug in the rear windscreen defroster near where the yellow arrow is pointing. No discussion of hardtops would be complete without the mentioning of ZineTop. Designed by an innovative company in South Africa, the ZineTop is an alternative to the Boxster hardtop and is designed to replicate the look and feel of the Cayman. The top installs very similar to the hardtop, although there are a few more intermediate steps. You need to remove the rear trunk lid and wire up a separate brake lamp. It's designed to be installed for a season of winter driving and then removed in the springtime. With a cost of over $3,000 as of the recording of this video, it's definitely cost competitive with a new factory hardtop. And in my opinion, doesn't look too bad either. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.